Are your meetings turning into time-sinking vampires, draining productivity without delivering results? Disorganized agendas, murky decisions, and forgotten action items aren't just annoying, they're costing your team hours of progress. The Meeting Management Pack stops the madness with battle-tested tools, customizable agenda templates using RACI matrices, decision frameworks like DASI for clear ownership, Notion-compatible action tracking dashboards, async status update workflows via Slack Loom integrations, and meeting health scorecards to audit effectiveness. Team leads, project managers, and department heads wave goodbye to "this could have been an email" chaos. Let's turn meetings from soul-crushing obligations into engines of impact. Here's what's inside the Meeting Management Pack: Agenda Builder with pre-meeting stakeholder alignment prompts, decision matrix templates for prioritizing initiatives using weighted scoring, Action Tracker syncs with Jira/Trello to auto-assign follow-ups, Async Briefing Pack for creating shareable Loom plus Notion updates, Meeting Health Dashboard with metrics like decision density and action item closure rate. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just organization, it's operational alchemy. Installing the Meeting Management Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add meeting management pack. That's it. You'll get the full workflow: agenda scaffolding scripts, decision framework prompts engineered for LLM clarity, and action tracking dashboards pre-built for Notion/ClickUp. Your next Claude Code session auto-loads these tools, no reboot needed. Your AI assistant now speaks fluent meeting ROI and action item accountability. From chaos to clarity in 30 seconds? That's not magic, it's quantized productivity.